Hello friends, today, we're going to draw and color Delphine Donkey, a friend of Peppa Pig. First, let's draw a shape of Delphine Donkey's head. Next, her long ears. Her eyes and nose. And her lips and cheek. Look, Delphine's eyes have opened. Let's draw the shape of her body. Next, her arms and hands. Her long tail. Let's draw her legs and shoes. It's going to be a great time to color Delphine Donkey together. Delphine wears a magenta dress and has gray fur and black shoes, like everyone else. Delphine is waving at you. Say hello back to her. Are you having fun so far? Glad to hear that. Did you know that Delphine Donkey is Peppa Pig's friend from France and one of her pen pals? Yes, you heard it right. You can have friends even if they live far away like Peppa Pig. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.